as I was saying, as your when it's in the form y equals a b to the x, the a represents the y-intercept. Now, if you transform this, however, then you get a possibly new intercept and a new asymptote. So when we have y equals e to the x plus 1, we kept the same asymptote in that case, but we got a new y-intercept of 2.718. Now, remember, the y-intercept is always easily found by finding out what's the value of the function when x equals 0. So when x equals 0, this just becomes y equals e to the 0 plus 1, or y equals e, and there's your 2.7. So that would be the intercept. Now what happens if we do y equals e to the x plus 1? Now, what's the difference between these two? A big difference. I've not replaced the x with x plus 1. I've added 1 out at the end to the original parent function. What does adding 1 at the end, or subtracting 1, it adds a point to every single y value in the function. So in this case, here's my parent. I just go up 1 unit, and that's going to look something like this. Now, when x is 0, that's 1 plus 1, so this is going to be 2 is the intercept. All right? And it's going to run along. Well, now let's say when this x is very negative, that's going to be like 1 over e to the 20, let's say. Well, that's going to become very close to 0, isn't it? So we're going to have 0 plus 1, something close to 0, and way out here, this point's going to be out here, and this graph is going to go like this. It's going to go up a little stronger than that. All right, excuse me about that. All right, this has changed the asymptote, hasn't it? See, because of this plus 1, everything was moved up 1 unit. So now my asymptote is y equals 1, and of course my y-intercept, which can sometimes be written y colon, is 2. Got it? Okay, I think you need to recognize that this is an increasing function. If you made it y equals negative e to the x, then it's going to be a decreasing function. When x equals 0, this is going to be negative 1, isn't it? This is decreasing as it moves from left to right. This is increasing as it moves from left to right. All right, good luck.